So the last thing we're going to discuss with reference angles is how to use the inverse functions and reference angles. So when you use inverse functions, they only give you, so inverse functions on your calculator for sine, bless you, for sine and tangent, they only give you positive and negative angles between 0 and 90. Cosine gives you an answer, so they give you an angle between 0 and 180. So when you're looking to do this, for sine and tangent, it's easy. So for sine and tangent, whatever they give you, you can consider to be the reference angle. So make it positive, and that is the reference angle. For cosine, it's going to give you an angle. If it is between 0 and 90, that is the reference angle. Make it positive, yeah. For cosine, if it's between 0 and 90, that is the reference angle. If it is between 91 or 90 and 180, you use like 180 minus the angle that will give you the reference angle. Why are we doing this? Because it's going to ask you in its directions, it'll say, find me this angle, but find it for me in quadrant 3. So if it's in quadrant 3, you're going to have to adjust things. Like, you have to find the reference angle first, and then you add that to 180. Yeah. You add it to 180. Yeah, because the way you're thinking about it is like this. So the question was, if it gives you 30 and they want you to find 30 in quadrant 3. So quadrant 3 is over here, right? So what do? They're taking half a circle and you're adding 180 to it, right? Or I'm sorry, you're adding 180, half a circle, and you're adding the angle that you got, which was 30, to it. So that would give you correct 210. So when you're looking for, so when they give you a reference angle, or you find it from your calculator, okay, you do the following to find the angle. And I'll put it in each quadrant. In quadrant 1, the angle just stays the same. Okay, in quadrant 2, again, it would be 180 minus the angle. Okay, in quadrant 3, it'd be 180 plus the angle, because that's going to give you where it is in quadrant 3. And in quadrant 4, it'd be 360 minus the angle. So it's the same for each one of these, except for 3. 3 is a little different. Why? Because they're giving you the reference angle, so you have to add a circle to it. And before, they were giving you the big angle, and you were just trying to find the little angle.